Hello everyone, this is Shweta Shukla, your chemistry teacher. Now today in this video we are going to discuss some new topics today. What are the new topics? I'll be telling you soon. And till now we have discussed about all the revisions, all the chapters, whatever we have gone through. See, till now many students are asking me today also I have got such kind of questions from the student that they are not yet clear about the syllabus. Let me tell you very clearly that chapter number 1 and chapter number 4 is the first term syllabus for chemistry. Okay, and among these two chapters, first chapter has been cleared with the question answer and the explanation. Everything has been completed, and in chapter number 4 we have completed the explanations. Last point is left and the question answer, that only part has been left, and that is the part for us to complete in the July. Means May till the May syllabus has been already completed. The revisions have also been completed, and for the case of July, in the July month we will be discussing that single point and the question answers of chapter 4. That these two things will be done in July. So don't get panic related to which chapter we have to write, which we don't have to write. The first only I have given the answer. For the first chapter only I have given the answer, question answer, and that only you have to write in your copy till now. Okay, so in this summer vacations, now you are going to have your summer vacations. So in this duration I want you to focus on the things, whatever you have studied, whatever you have gone through till now. See, until class 5th you had no idea about chemistry, what the subject is chemistry. You used to study only science. From class 6 onward you have got the divisions. So it doesn't mean that your attention towards those subjects will also be distributed. You have to pay individually to all those subjects proper attention. Okay, and for this you need some extra time to revise each and every part of the syllabus. Okay, because you have to give sufficient time to physics also, you have to give sufficient time to chemistry also, you have to give sufficient time to bio also. So now for this such situation you need to give some extra time. So when you are going to get this summer vacation, so don't waste it while playing. And means I'm not saying don't play in those days, do all those part also, but do not waste more of your time. You need to give some specific time towards your studies also, because as the school will reopen we will have the examinations. There is no such criteria, we are not going to have any examination or anything like that. So you should be ready with the content whatever you have studied till now. Okay, and for such reason this summer assignment has also been given to you, so that you would be connected towards your studies, whatever have been taught to you. So as you would have got your summer assignment work, you would be very clearly knowing the 3 questions have been given to you in case. Now today in this video we are going to discuss that how to complete all those 3 questions, what you have to write, how you have to write in the copy, and how you need to maintain. First of all, it is mentioned to you that 200 pages copy, whatever you have got there, in that copy you have to do this assignment, and there first and foremost thing, it is carrying some marks for the total. Means overall it's going to give you some marks over there. Okay, so don't take it very rough way. Okay, because however you are going to prepare the summer assignment, it's going to provide you few marks. Okay, and they are very important in the results, they carry some percentage also. Okay, so don't let it go in vain. Okay, so you need to provide your proper attention towards us. Now first of all, representation. For the case of representation, I am sure you all are having your brilliant minds, and in your brilliant minds you are having lots of creative ideas also. I want you to put all those creative ideas in this assignment. Okay, because this assignment means it deserves your attention and it deserves your effort. Your effort, what you have done in these days, should be visible in your copy, and that can be done by proper maintaining, proper decoration, proper representation. Means how effective you can make it look. Okay, how neat and clean how you make it, that is very important. Along with it, means I'm not saying you just pay proper attention, all of your attention towards the decoration only, and leave the rest question answers as it is given there. Roughly you are going to write the answers, that also I'm not saying. Give attention towards the representation part, but yes, questions need their specific and exact answer in the copy. Okay, so in the chemistry, if we talk about science doesn't say that you just need to write an essay on one question only. You don't need to write from the book itself 2 or 3 pages you have just copied in the copy. That you don't have to do. You just need to focus what the question is asking, and for that particular one you need to write the exact answer. Okay, such as 3 questions are given to you. In the first question it has been asked, the question means 3 questions whatever you have there. I'm not reminding what are the sequence over there, but yes, one of the question was to draw the diagram for distillation and sublimation. Okay, so if you remember these two, there you have been asked to draw the diagram. I think it is the question number 3rd. If I remind, yes, question number 1 was how to you have to make a table, and there you need to write 20 elements, their name and their symbol. It is obviously given in your book. In the book, the 2nd chapter, it has been written over there with the proper name, proper number of the element, atomic number was also mentioned, the name is mentioned, the symbols are mentioned. You just need to make a table in a page. There you need to get a separation, serial number 1 2 3 4 20 till 20. You have to write the name in a sequence and their symbols. If they are having their own symbols, you will write that only, such as for hydrogen you will write H. If they are having their Latin name and the symbol is also in that language only, you will write their Latin symbols. Okay, so don't get confused. You have to write whatever the symbol is mentioned to you, that only you will be writing. Book में आपको जो symbol जिस तरीके से पूरा चार्ट बना के दिया है, that only you have to write there. Okay, and for the case of the second question, the second question is about the comparison of 5 properties of solid, liquid and gas that we have studied in properties of solid, liquid, gas. There were few properties mentioned, no? So for that also it's very easy. You don't need to write that in a full long answer type question. You just need to make a table. Okay, and there you will make 4 columns. 4 columns. Why? For the first column you will write all the properties, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. What are the properties you are going to compare? For the second case you are going to write solid, liquid and gas. So अगर आपने यहाँ पे mention किया कि exact shape, definite shape, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? Solid has a rigid shape, liquid do not have a definite shape and gases do not have definite shape. Got it? अब आप बात करेंगे वॉल्यूम की. Like that you have to mention कोई एक property specific and you need to compare in all those 3 things. Okay, like that you need to make 4 columns and a whole table, and you can write that very easily. If any student get problem while making this table, they can properly write in the case as it is given in the book. Properties of solid, कुछ properties लिखी आपने, properties of liquid, that, properties of gases, all that. Same way, if you are getting problem while making the table, then you can choose the other option also. See, answers are not bounded in one format. You can choose any format and you can write in your own way also. Yes, the answer should be right, method can be anyone. Okay, science says that. And in the third question that we have been discussing, that the diagram for distillation and sublimation, both the diagrams are available in the book. You just need to see that and you have to draw that. So more effectively you draw, the better way you draw, the better marks you get. So draw it as better and as beautiful you can. Okay, I cannot say you should draw the diagrams beautifully. You should draw the diagrams accurately, because they are not sceneries and like that. They are apparatuses, and apparatuses need to be accurate. मीन्स इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ डिस्टिलेशन फ्लास्क, अब इसको ब्यूटीफुल करने के लिए ये ना इसमें ग्लिटर्स लगाने शुरू कर दें. इट्स अ एपरेटस एंड यू नीड टू मेक दैट एज टू लुक लाइक एज एन एपरेटस. ये लेबोरेटरी के एपरेटस हैं, ऐसे लगने चाहिए. ये ना हो कि हम लगे उसको ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. एपरेटसेस और डायग्राम्स के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं. ओके, एज इट इज़ ड्रॉन इन द बुक यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. जितना सही एक्यूरेट बन जाए उतना ज़्यादा बेटर. ओके, so these are the 3 questions which you need to understand, which you need to complete in your copy. I hope you do it very well. These vacation have been given to you for your proper revision of the content whatever you have studied till now. So revise it very well, and as the school reopens, I want you all to have all those revisions whatever we have studied till now, not in this subject, in all other subjects also. Okay, so be safe at your home, be aware of this virus. Whatever the guidelines have been provided, you need to follow all of that. Just be safe. I just want that only, and complete your works on time. Copy should be maintained properly. See you too soon. Thank you.